In this situation, Copilot is used to summarize a list of notes. The notes may be taken by a social care worker during a conversation or a home visit with an individual seeking care and support. After the meeting, the notes need to be written up to create a more formal summary for an assessment. This time, I'm going to use Copilot Chat to take my notes and turn them into something more structured. I have the notes written up here in Microsoft Word. They're just a series of rough bullet points written down after an interview. And to get started, I'm going to switch to Copilot Chat. In the prompt window, I start by telling Copilot what my goal is. I write, create a 4-paragraph summary I can use for writing a care and support assessment for the individual seeking care and support. Next, I add the source, which is my notes file, and I write, use this file, which is a list of notes I made after my last interview with the individual seeking care and support. I also need to tell Copilot which file, so I add a forward slash and pick it by choosing files and then typing the name in the search box. I pick the file when I found it and then it's added to the prompt. To finish off, I want to tell Copilot my expectations or how I want the results to be presented to me. So I write, use simple language, but with a professional tone of voice that I can use for an official care assessment. I send that to Copilot and it returns those 4 paragraphs I asked for. With this prompt, Copilot saves the note taker time because notes can be written down in a haphazard way, like a stream of consciousness, without much thought for grammar or punctuation. Copilot can quickly take that text, turn it into a formal summary that can be used to prepare an assessment.